Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about on how you can download your information on Facebook. Maybe you wanted to know on how you can download your information on Facebook before you deactivate your account. So today, I am going to teach you on how you can download your information in your Facebook. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Facebook application. Once you open your Facebook application, you'll be directed into your home page. And then once you are in here, simply tap on this profile icon at the upper right corner of your screen. And you'll be directed into this page. What you need to do is scroll down and look for this settings and privacy. In here, tap on this drop down button and select the settings option. Under the settings and privacy, you will see here the preferences and also the audience and visibility. And you also have this your profile. And you also have this your activity and your information. Under your information, you'll see here the download your information. Simply tap on it. And then in here, as you can see, you can request a copy. You can deselect all and just choose one. For example, you only want information about your post, simply deselect all and select this post. After that, scroll down and create a file. You can also tap on this date range. You can see it here like a date range or all of your data. You can also choose a format as HTML or JSON. You can also choose equality. After that, tap on create file. As you can see, you have now the available copies and it's now pending. After it's done, you can download the information you have. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can download your information on Facebook, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can download your information on Facebook, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.